loves, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Alana. I would love for y'all to hit that subscribe button down below so you guys can become a part of the family. If you're returning, welcome back to my channel. So y'all, today we will be working with one of my favorite companies, Gorgius. So thank you to Gorgius for sponsoring today's video. We will be installing this beautiful closure wig in today's video. I expect this install to be very simple because closures are so simple, y'all. Typically with closures, I usually do glueless methods. So in today's video, if I need glue, I might not even need glue or spray, but I probably am going to use my Ebon spray in today's video. Let's get into this wig, y'all. Okay, so like I said, I'm really anticipating for this install to be very simple because it is a closure wig. All the information will be on the screen to this wig so you guys can know all the important details. I did bleach the knots in this wig, y'all. So if you guys were wondering, usually on like all my units, I do bleach the knots just to give it that more natural look because I just love when my wig just looks like my scalp. Okay, like I just love that. So I'm just gonna start by putting some makeup on the lace, and lately I've just been using my Maybelline Fit Me. This is in the shade 330. I usually use just like whatever powder I have, honestly. I love me a curly wig. Like I'm just so obsessed with curly wigs. They're probably like one of my favorite hair textures to wear during the fall time, during the summertime, any time of the year. I love a curly wig. Like look how cute, so cute. This is going to look so good, y'all. I don't know, I kind of, looking at this now, I kind of don't want to do baby hairs. This looks so cute. All right, y'all, so I'm just gonna start off by cutting off this lace. What are we thinking, y'all? Side part, middle part? I was thinking middle part. Side part is kind of eating. No, I'm gonna do middle part because I just did the side part. So at this point, I'm just going to be using my hot comb just to make my part more defined. And later on in the video, I am going to fix up my part because I don't know if you guys can see, but from me bleaching the knots in this wig, they kind of made the wig and the part a little, you know, weird looking. So I am going to fix that in the next few clips. So just stay tuned, y'all. And I just want to mention, y'all, this wig was so easy to install. And you guys seen, I didn't do any baby hairs. It's really a personal preference if you guys would like to add baby hairs or not. But this boho curl style was just so cute and is definitely giving me bohemian vibes for sure. I love the curl of this wig. It was just so pretty. And after I put the mousse on in the water, it just was like just so popping. Like I just love this hair, y'all. So I'm going to stop talking and let y'all watch the rest of the video. But as always, all the information to this wig will be in my description box down below. So do not forget to check my description box. And I hope y'all enjoy. So this was so random, but I wanted to go ahead and wand curl a few of the pieces because I noticed some of the pieces in the front were getting a little frizzy. So I was really just curious to see how it's going to look. So this was just me testing it out, y'all. I don't know. I just wanted to see how it was going to look, and I think it came out pretty cute. I feel like if I was to wand curl this whole wig, it would definitely be a look, like, for sure. But I just wanted to go ahead and show y'all like a few different styles you guys can do with this hair, because a lot of times with closures, people don't think they could do a lot of styles with them, but honestly with the closure you can do a lot of different styles. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope y'all enjoyed today's video, and do not forget to check my description box if you guys like to purchase this wig. All information will be down below. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.